Hola amigos, soy Nati, I'm Nati, y vamos a estudiar español juntos. And we're gonna study Spanish together. Welcome back. If you haven't seen my first video, go ahead and go to that one and watch that one first so that you don't miss anything. Do you remember how to say hello in Spanish? Good job! It's hola. Muy bien. Muy bien means very good, by the way. So today we're gonna learn how to say, how are you? So after you say hola to someone, you can say ¿Cómo estás? Which means how are you? Let's practice. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, Goofy, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, gracias.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? It's Santa.
Let's practice our alphabet. Do you remember our alphabet? All right, let's sing it. A, B, C, D, E, F. I think I need to turn my Spanish mode on to help me out here. Okay, listos, ready. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Muy bien! You've been practicing, haven't you? Okay, ready? Now we're gonna sing it and we're gonna add the next 7 letters. Are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Oh my. Let's do that part again. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Una vez más. One more time. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. All right. All together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Muy bien! Did you like that? Did you like singing the alphabet? Alright, make sure you practice this throughout the week, okay?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N.
Whew. I should probably not practice my alfabeto while I'm putting lipstick on. That was a bad idea. Okay, now we're going to continue learning los colores. By the way, if you haven't seen my first video where I teach you the first few colors, you should probably go watch that one now. The first color we're going to learn today is Anaranjado. That's probably the hardest color to say. Ready? Let's say it again. Anaranjado. Now we're going to say it really slow. Muy bien. The next one we're going to learn is brown. Café. Can you say it? Café. Muy bien. Let's say it really fast. Café. Super bien. Okay, you guys are doing awesome. Let's learn another color. Okay, the next color is Morado. Can you say it? Morado. Muy bien. Now we're gonna say it super high. Can you say it higher than me? Oh, that's pretty good. Good job. You sound like a mouse. The next color we're gonna learn is Gris. You say it. Gris. Super bien. Gris. That one's super easy. Now say it really quiet so I can't even hear you. Wait, I can still hear you. Try it again. Muy bien. The last color we're gonna learn is Rosa. You say it. Rosa. Super bien. Can we sing it? Rosa. Let's see who can hold out saying Rosa the longest. Rosa. to play a game together to practice the colors that we just learned. Are you ready? Okay, so here's how it's gonna work. I'm gonna say a color in Spanish, and if you're wearing that color, you have to get up and jump as high as you can, okay? We're all gonna play too, right? Goofy, Avery, ¿están listos? Okay, perfecto. The first color is gonna be morado. Morado. ¡Yo traigo morado! Okay. Phew. Were any of you wearing purple? Good job. Way to jump, man. All right. The next color is Anaranjado. Is anybody wearing Anaranjado here? Goofy, brinca. Whew, muy bien, Goofy. All right, Goofy was wearing orange, so he jumped. Did any of you jump? Awesome. All right, the next color is Rosa. Avery, tú traes rosa. Brinca, brinca. Muy bien. The next color is going to be café. Jump if you're wearing café. Goofy, tú traes café. Brinca. Good job. Muy bien, Goofy. Okay, now we're gonna do a bonus one of a color that we learned last week, okay? Brinca si traes puesto. Jump if you're wearing rojo. Muy bien, Goofy. Muy bien, Avery. Yay! Super bien. It's time for the tongue twister challenge of the week. Woo! All right, if you're brave enough to try this tongue twister, send a video of it, and bonus points if you can tell me what it means. All right, the tongue twister for this week is más rápido corren los carros que los carros del ferrocarril. All right, I'm gonna say it really fast. Are you ready? Más rápido corren los carros que los carros del ferrocarril. Okay, chicos, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you for joining us. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe so that you don't miss any more of our Spanish videos. Make sure you practice everything that we learned today, and we will see you next time. Adios!